continuing our series on the key administrative settings in WordPress that will help you optimally set up your site in WordPress. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Writing Settings page in your WordPress's administrative area. To access the Writing Settings page, look down the tabs on the left side of the screen and navigate to the Settings tab. If it's not already expanded, click on this arrow to expand the section, and then select Writing, which is the second option down. So here we are on the Writing Settings page. The first option is the size of post box. Let's take a look at what this means. I'm going to hop over to the Add New Post page. This is a page you'll get when you add a new post to your WordPress blog. On this page you can see this big box here. And this is where you type the main content for your post. By default, it's 10 lines long. If you'd like to make it bigger, you can do it for each post by coming down to the bottom corner here and clicking and dragging the post to make it bigger or smaller. But if you have a size that you like, you can set that as the default by going to the Writing Settings page and changing the size of the box, size of the post box field. And I usually like to make mine at 20, so I'm going to change that here. The next option deals with formatting. One lets you convert emoticons to graphics, which really isn't that important for your business blog. The second option is WordPress should correct invalidly nested XHTML automatically. Don't worry about what that means. For most of you watching this video, you'll probably just be typing or pasting your content into WordPress and not doing any sort of coding. If that's the case, just leave this setting unchecked. If you do have a desire to write your own code, then you may want to check it automatically by using this option. Though keep in mind, when this setting is enabled, it could cause some plugins not to work correctly. Moving right along, next is the default post category. If you have a blog on your site, this is the default category that your blog posts get assigned to. If you don't set it here, it's no big deal. You can set the category for each individual post as you write it. Below that is the default link category. It's not important, so we're just going to skip over that one. Next comes the remote publishing header. Under here there are two options. These options would allow you to publish content to your site from a desktop client or remote website. Most of you watching, however, are likely just going to be logging into your WordPress site directly and working within the WordPress interface, so you can leave these two options unchecked. Scrolling down a little bit, the next heading is Post via email. Again, most of you will probably just be posting directly from WordPress, but you do have the option to post via email. Basically how that works is you send an email to a secret email address, and when you do, it automatically posts the content of that email as a blog post on your site. It's a cool idea, though I do prefer to use the WordPress interface. Okay, the last option down here is Update Services. This is the most important setting on this page, especially if you have a blog on your site. An update service is a tool that sends a message, which is also known as a ping, to a server letting it know that you've updated the content on your blog. Well, why should you care about this? Basically, because by automatically having your blog ping these update services, you can get more attention and traffic to your blog because it alerts other websites, services, and people that you've updated the content on your site, so they should come and check it out. There's just one update service listed in the box by default. However, I'd recommend adding more update services to the mix. If you're watching this video on WordPressforBusiness.org, there's a link above this video that takes you to a website that keeps a good up-to-date list of recommended update services to add here. Simply copy the list and paste it into this box. And I've already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it here. And you can see I now have, I think it's about 10 or 15 update services. Once you've made any and all changes necessary on your Writing Settings page, click the Save Changes button at the bottom, and you're done. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at the Reading settings, which includes one of the most important settings you'll want to know about when using WordPress for a business website. See you in that video, and be sure to check out all the tips, strategies, and videos on using WordPress to power your business's website at wordpressforbusiness.org.